Pelican has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southwestern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, western Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 1:45 p.m. At 1:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Como, or near Elkhorn, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elkhorn, Lake Geneva, Twin Lakes, Paddock Lake, Camp Lake, Genoa City, Silver Lake, Richmond, Lake Catherine, Powers Lake, Browns Lake, Bonners Lake, Como, Hill Lake, Salem, Burlington, Springfield, Bristol, Abels Corners, and Bassett. People attending the Country Thunder Music Festival should seek safe shelter immediately. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter.